Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Snag Rag. Today we learn how to bind the mat plus the yarning process or the weaving process. So this is basically stitching the carpet edges. Here. So what you need is a crochet. I usually use a 2.5 mm, and yarn. We're going to use this gold color, chunky sew. Then your tips too. So you take the edge, I tie a knot like this, like that. Then I start crocheting. We now start the process of cutting yarn. This is the wood we are using. You turn, you do this, just put it round the wood like this, like that. Just loosely and round again. Then you cut the yarn like this. Turn the wood to this other side. Don't let go of the yarn and cut again like that. So now you have the same size of yarn. You do it again like this, and that's a bit faster. Then cut. Don't let go. So this is what I have, the colors that I'm going to use on this rug. I'm planning on making a multicolored doormat. So basically, you remember we said you use this flat surface for yarning. There's this flat surface and there's this bumpy surface, so we are using the flat one. So this is what you do. You take one piece of yarn, make sure it's in half, you make a loop Make sure it's in half like that. Then you use, this is where we did the binding. You start the next line over here. You take your hook like this. You put it inside the hole like that. Make sure this thing is outside there. Then this part, you make it come onto this end. Then you let go of this so that the hook can close itself, and like that. So basically that's what you do. I take my next piece of yarn, the same thing. I make it in half, put my hook inside there, go to the next like this side, you put it inside the hook, then you let go. So this is how it looks so far. You can see it's very fluffy. Yeah, that's why they're called shaggy mats. So you can see the binding in all edges. Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.